we are going to have short videos for the download and installation of BlueJ. We're also going to try to use Java with Replit. But I want to do the Java install first with BlueJ. So first we got to go to Oracle, make sure you create an account. Use the school account, probably that's the one that you want to deal with, so it doesn't interfere with your personal life. I'm sure you remember the password. I always forget mine. So I had done, I think I already picked, I have a Mac, so I picked that one. I think I gave you already options in the Canvas post and module. So it's going to my downloads. I don't think I'm gonna need this anymore, but I'm not gonna touch it for now. It's only gonna take a little while. Let's go to documents, no, downloads. Actually, while it's downloading, what I would like you to do is create new folder. You're gonna call it my Java programs. Inside that folder, I want you to create another folder. I'm gonna call it basic programs. So let's say this is unit 1. I like to have 4 units, maybe more. Usually 4 units is ideal. It all depends on how the year goes, right? Let's take a look at what's happening with the actual download. If it's finished, yes it is. So now I'm gonna go to the downloads. Where is it? Here it is. I'm gonna double click on this. Double click on this now. And just follow the instructions. Yep. Install software. It should not take long. I just wanted to do with you guys because some of you may be running into some little problems. I want to make sure that everybody knows. Yeah, we don't need this. Get rid of it. Don't do what I always do, which is keeping garbage. Okay, now let's go to BlueJ. Go back to BlueJ, somewhere here in my precious tabs. Here is BlueJ, and of course, depending on what you have, you pick. Depending on your computer, your platform, you pick the operating system that matches. In my case, is this one. And I'm gonna put it also in downloads. I try to be consistent so I know where things are. It should not take long. It's not a big program. As you can see, it's only 232 megabytes. Meanwhile, well, that's not actually it's not downloading already. All right, so let's see what happens when we go to run this BlueJ. Okay, so let me change this to programs, basic programs. Right now there is nothing. Here, and I am going to, what's in here? I like this window better. All right, so I don't want it here. I'm gonna move this out of here. I don't want it in downloads. You can put it in applications, or you can put it on documents. I used to have it in applications. I'm gonna put it in documents. So actually, I'm gonna move it to documents. So I'm gonna take the whole folder, bring it to documents. Let's go to Blue Jay. And you see that Blue Jay image of the Blue Jay bird. Double click on that. Yes, we are confident with this. Here goes Blue Jay. Would like to receive. What does it say? I don't know. I agree. What does it say? But does it message about that I am? Yes. Um, let's move on. I don't think we need. Okay, this is probably what you should get at this point. So, what we're gonna do right now is something very basic, super basic. So, um, I don't think you can see everything that's on the top. All right, so you got to this point. I'm gonna have to stop the video because you cannot see what's up here, and this is very important. Um, I did wanted to make a small, short video just to get you started with installation. So I will be right back.